I'm going to tell you right now, stop using TubeBuddy. It's helpful-ish, but this tool is so much better. It absolutely changed the game for me, and I've completely left TubeBuddy in favor of this tool. It provides me so much more value than I was experiencing with TubeBuddy. First off, TubeBuddy was a headache to work with when trying to go and figure out titles. How many of you in TubeBuddy have gone to that keyword magic tool and typed in a variety of different names, trying to figure out what on earth kind of name you should go and give that's going to go and perform well based on the score that TubeBuddy then gives you? I'm one of those people. Here's the deal. VidIQ is so much better. It actually creates the title suggestions for you. It even will go and provide for you descriptions. Isn't that amazing? Just from keywords, it generates for you entire descriptions. In addition, TubeBuddy, it fails to go and see certain metrics for you that are valuable on YouTube, such as what's the best time of day to go and upload your videos? How are your videos doing compared to other channels? What kind of keywords should you be adding to the individual videos? These are all things that TubeBuddy failed at being able to go and do. However, VidIQ handles this so much better. If you go to the SEO portion of VidIQ, you'll actually be able to find a list of different videos to go and set up with different keywords. In addition, VidIQ is also analyzing what's the best time of day that your videos are performing, and it will suggest to you when exactly to go and post it before what time so that you have the best chance of getting a good number of views on your videos. It also allows you to be able to manage right there on your video the keywords, the description, everything. It tells you the kind of advice that it would go and recommend. And yes, TubeBuddy does that, but VidIQ just handles it so much better. If you're interested in using this program, I recommend you go, and we actually have a link down below, vidiq.com/yellowtail. So vidiq.com/yellowtail. And I promise you, this tool, it's so much better than TubeBuddy. It's insane. Now, if you're an agency and you're looking to go and use TubeBuddy as part of your solution to your clients, then I want you to go and check out this video where we're going to show you how VidIQ is actually super agency friendly and how we found massive value using it. Anyways, I hope you all have had a great day. If you've enjoyed this, I encourage you hit the like and subscribe below. Also, visit our website at yellowtailsolutions.com. We would love to see you there. And please shoot us an email if you have any questions or leave a comment down below. Anyways, you have a great day. Take care.